Maci Dixon here, and and this is my best friend Elyza Hart, and we are going to be making a spider cake with cobwebs, and we're going to show you how it's done, and Elyza's going to be in all the rest of the videos.
So first things first, we gotta make our cake. So we're going to do a chocolate cake for basically the base, and then
we're gonna do the vanilla cake for our next one. So basically it's gonna be like a mixture of chocolate and vanilla.
And then we'll have vanilla icing for the chocolate cake and chocolate icing for the vanilla cake.
Okay, so we're gonna make the cake. So we're gonna put the cake. So we're gonna make the cake right now.
And we're done for the fun.
Okay, now we're going to make the
icing. So we have our chocolate cake and our three vanilla cakes. Okay. And then the next step, like Maci said, is to make the icing.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, so as our first step, I'm going to put the butter into the microwave until it's melted completely.
And then right after you melt the butter completely, you want to take the cream cheese and put it in the microwave for a few seconds, and you only want it to be a little bit soft.
Okay, the step number 2 is to add the sugar. Okay, this is my favorite part, is it's called sugar.
Me too. Pour the sugar.
Oh, geez. I think that's good. Oh, geez.
There's a
Oh, that's a lot of sugar.
Okay, that's a lot of sugar. So you want to make sure you add the whole bag of powdered sugar. So the next step is to add the vanilla, but you only want like a spoonful of vanilla, and we want to make sure we do it over the bowl so it doesn't get on like the counter or the table. Oh, I think that's enough.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, that's good.
You want to make sure you have fun with it.
Yes, have fun with this. It's very fun. Make sure you wear aprons because there's going to be food dye later in this. Okay, so the next step is to add the milk slowly.
Milk.
You want to make sure it's slowly. And then you want to just check the consistency. I'm not really sure what's enough.
Keep a little more.
Okay, now it is time to mix. So the next step is to do the icing, which we are doing blue and
Red.
which makes purple. So we are going to add that, and we might have a dark purple or we might have a light purple.
Let's find out.
Basically, just added 3 drops.
Yeah.
Try to mix.
And then if we ever need more to make a better purple, then we will. Ooh, it looks like tie-dye right now.
Yeah. Kind of cool. I think we might need more blue.
I don't know. I think that looks like a light purple.
Very light. I actually like that color, honestly, but we need a darker purple.
Because we're making Halloweenish.
Yeah.
That looks like yogurt, basically.
It's icing. That's actually a really pretty purple. Let's try adding maybe 3 drops of blue.
Maybe 2.
2, okay.
Whoa. It's really cool.
Yeah. Okay, that made it a little bit darker.
A little bit.
But we still need a lot of more drops. We're going for this more like dark purple, basically. So more maybe one more drop of blue and then a drop of red. Maybe add, yeah. It looks like 2 eyes. This is very hard to mix. Okay, the red made it more like purpley.
Let's add a little more
red.
I add 4 more drops. That should be good.
Maybe, we don't know yet. We were going for this like really dark purple.
That looks pink. So now let's add more blue.
Definitely more blue.
Okay. 2. I think that's good.
Yeah, we messed up our beautiful purple icing.
Ooh, I think it's turning into purple. Except we need a little darker. So let's add more blue.
More blue.
Oh my god.
Here we go, making more purple.
Oh geez. I think okay. I think
It's getting a little more darker, but not really.
Little more.
A few more drops. We finally finished our vanilla icing and we put a lot of work into it because we had to do a lot of food dye for it. And then this is
It's the chocolate! And it's really good because we taste tested it and it's really good. Especially we didn't double dip because never do that at home. And also, we are going to ice the cake after this short break.
And then basically the chocolate icing is the same thing as the vanilla icing except for with the food dye and just cocoa powder added to it. So now we are going to ice our cake. We got our perfect purple and then we're going to do the bottom layer first, which is the chocolate cake. So let's get started.
Oof, this is kind
So
of
we're going to scoop it up, just make sure it doesn't jump.
flop it. And then your Elyza's gonna spread it.
Then smooth it out until it's like completely flat, like this. Boom, it's done. So we finally iced our cake. We made it to look like the icing was oozing over the cake, so it looks more spidery and Halloweenish.
Yeah, that's our side effects. Dun, 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 dun.
So basically next we have to do the spider.
Okay, so Elyza's gonna be decorating our spider right now. Right now she's going to be making the mouth and she's gonna be decorating it. And what we're doing is we're piping, and it's really fun because you can decorate the cake and right now we're also like making the spider like hairy.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
And then once it's all hairy, we can like add like the legs, the black legs, and then we can like add the eyeballs, and we can like make like a cool mouth, and like it'll be like super fun. And then we'll like, I feel like we should decorate this part, and then we're gonna use the like brown sprinkles for like this part, I feel like, and then the Oreos like this part. Now we're gonna do the eyeballs. Sorry, let's just chewing on stuff. We are going to do the mouth with red sprinkles. Then we're gonna do the eyes with these eyes. Then we're gonna decorate with Oreos. And then we're gonna have people, and then we're also gonna do these sprinkles. And then we're gonna have people taste at the end. And we're also gonna do spider webs.
Candy eyeballs and
the candy cane and the what can I say? The cotton candy is
It's so good.
stop. It's gonna be the cobwebs and it's more flavor.
Oh, okay.
Go.
So our spider, we basically use chocolate icing and we use black straws for the spider legs. So don't eat them. I mean, of course you can do it like with black licorice or something else that's black, or you can just have a spider with no legs. So basically, this is our cake. We instead of using the red sprinkles for the mouth, we use the eyes just turned around, and we use the like sprinkles for like the blood, and the mini Oreos and cotton candy. And basically, we have our chocolate cake or vanilla, and then the spiders are 2 layers of cake, vanilla cake, and then we got chocolate icing, and we just sprinkled some chocolate on top. And I like how our spider does not look happy, so it makes it Halloween.
Okay, this is how we did it, but you could do it however you want. You could, instead of this baby as spiders, you could actually use black licorice and cut it very small for the legs and the baby spiders. Yeah. But we're using the cool fact of saying baby spiders don't have legs.
So now it is time for the taste testing.
And we are at the last part. We are going to cut the cake, and we're going to see what these people think about our cake.
Yes. So I'm up for a straw. Leg. Me and Maci are.
I'm trying to figure out how to cut this.
You're trying to figure out how to cut it?
Would you like
big, 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 big. We want cobwebs too, don't we?
We are not sure how to get this.
It's such a good cake, I can't figure
He's gonna bite you!
Ooh, that looks good. You want to use a chocolate though too?
Yeah, we need to do
Oh,
some
that's what we
chocolates.
need. You have the right. We need the right tools here. See the tool? Look at the tool. There we go.
And she's going to also get a piece of chocolate.
Whoa.
Okay, and after this, we're gonna go around and we're gonna ask everybody how it tastes, and each
Would you like a
buddy
leg?
is going to say if it's good or bad and say why.
Wait, are those the spider webs?
Give me whatever.
Those are the spider webs and spider eggs on there? Whoa.
Well, they're supposed to be real spiders. We
Would
just
you
made
like
up.
a leg, Max?
We just made up
Arr.
that the fact is that baby spiders do not have any legs and that they are Oreos.
What happens if you cut it and a million spiders come out and start crawling all over you?
Probably scream, run, and jump in water.
That's a good idea.
Okay, I'm gonna see how it is, and I'm not gonna tell anybody.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
And nobody say how good the cake was because we're gonna come around and ask.
All right, Maci. First taste test. Elyza, first taste test. What do you think? And survey says.
No, Dad, we're gonna go around and ask people.
Well, you just tasted it first, so you need
Okay.
to.
No, it's actually
So-
really, really
Yeah.
It's really
Go.
good. It's really good. And the reason is because I really like the cotton candy and the like mixture of the vanilla and the chocolate.
Please like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below to ask any questions. And our channel is Baking for Girl Power.
And make sure to like and subscribe this video. Bye.
Bye, everybody. See ya. See you next time.